Butch is a 6-year-old husky mix that is an adoptable dog at Briggs.
Butch has one blue eye and one brown eye. He loves to socialize with people and other dogs. He needs a tall fence for his high energy level and must be brushed often for his soft, luscious coat.
Butch does not get along very well with cats. However, he is a very great family dog and is available for adoption now at Briggs Animal Adoption Center.
This dog is a 2-year-old female yellow lab. She is a very fluffy, energetic, but laid-back dog. This dog's name is Ginger.
Last March, Ginger was saved from a kill facility, so she wouldn't be put down. Now she's adoptable at Briggs and is ready for a loving home.
Ginger is very good with people. She loves belly rubs and is shy at first, but once she gets to meet you, she'll love you. She is very calm but chases cats.
Ginger loves to be groomed, including brushing, which is great for her soft shedding hair. She also walks well on a leash, which is great for kids.
Please adopt Ginger.